Hey everybody, how's it going on? Hey, what's up everybody? Sam here. So you'll have noticed over the past couple weeks I haven't shared too much. I've been a little busy on a video that I made, and even as someone who's been doing this for a while, I still make mistakes. Just from a technical standpoint, it's taking a lot longer. It's got a lot of color grading to do. I'm here at Barkhausen today, which is just north of Green Bay, and I'm just going to do a little edit, something I can put together in one day that isn't too long, but still keeps me creative, which is the most important part, and gets me thinking about how I want to shoot stuff. Come on along, I'm going to see if we can take the drone out here and get some shots over the bay. The clouds are spectacular today. If not, so be it, but you can't fly your drone everywhere, so get used to carrying around the camera. Alright, let's go. Alright, so definitely not going to fly my dog here, but we'll see if there is a no drone sign up ahead.
At the end of it all, I'll still be there for you.
So I found a nice little area to take up the drone. Plenty of overhead clearance. I'm just hoping for some clouds and maybe a couple views from above. All right, here we go.
Something that you gotta know, 'cause even if the world comes crashing down, I'll be there for you. And even if the sky goes up in flames, yeah, we'll make it through. And at the end of it all, at the end of it all, I'll still be there for you. I'll be there for you. Even if the world comes crashing down, I'll be there for you. And even if the sky goes up in flames, yeah, we'll make it through. And at the end of it all,
Just like that.
at the end of it all, I'll still be there for you. I'll be there for you.
Ah yes, Wisconsin's second winter, cottonwood season.